Yo, I'm hyped because I'm just getting off work and look what just came. Yo, yeah, I don't know how hype I am. Yo, I ordered this drone about almost 3 weeks ago and it finally shipped last Friday and I'm just getting it today. It's Monday. So it took some time, but this is the first time I got it and I ordered it 5 minutes after the drone released. I ordered it before they even sent me the email. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna do an unboxing of my new DJI Mavic Mini 3 Pro. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. Wow, this is actually in a really tiny box. Here you see it. It's the DJI Mavic Mini Pro 3. So DJI is doing things a little bit differently now, and they're separating the drone from the Fly More combos. So I actually got this kit, but there are 3 different base kits. So the standard kit comes with this drone right here, the Mini 3, but also comes with the R1 controller, which I already had because I have a Mavic Mini 2. They also have this one that I have that has the RC controller, and I really got this one because I love having a separate controller and I don't have to worry about my phone overheating, my battery dying, or just not having the brightness of my own screen. So I had to get this one, and this is the most pricey one. But if you have a Mavic Air or a Mavic Mini, or you just have one of these controllers, you can actually use this controller and just get the drone itself without the controller, and that's a little bit cheaper as well. All right, and let's open it. Peel this. Okay. So as soon as you open it here, it gives you right here where you can actually download the Fly More app. But also here is that drone. Y'all ready for this? Wow, it's tiny. Let's get up. Wow. And let's see what else is in the box. I got the drone out. Here is that controller. Wow. Wow, this feels good. Still plastic. It's like the same plastic from the drone actually. Rubber grips and handles, big buttons. Up here you have 2 wheels, take pictures or record, which is actually a lot better than this one here, because in the R1 controller, this button was to do on both, and you only had 1 wheel. So already you have 2 wheels compared to the R1 controller, and you have a camera photo button and a video button, comparing the R1 controller. Have some buttons on the screen. Looks like I have some battery life. Okay. In the back here, I have 2 C1, C2 buttons. Looks like it has a fan if it's overheating. Oh, and the cool thing, these are built in from the back. So I'm just gonna screw these in just to show you guys. These are actually a different design from the R1 controllers. And these actually feel, I like the feel of these. Even though I personally do not fly with these analog sticks. Wow, feels good though. Light. I'd say around the same weight. But the big game changer is that you don't need to hold your phone. Okay. On the bottom here, micro SD card, and it says host. Okay, and here's a charger for it. Okay, pretty standard. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so one thing I do notice, this time it doesn't have a charging block like the last ones did, but it's USB-C to USB-C. And that's just a charger for it, but you will have in a block. But because I have an iPhone and a ton of other products that have a ton of blocks, so it's not that bad. 1 more set of propellers for the front and back. Okay, also a screwdriver to do that. Looks like it's the quick start guide, how to get this started. And it's just some more information in this. All right, now let's take the drone out. All right, let's start with the gimbal. Cool clip. Now, one thing that's a game changer, looks like it comes with a protective foam already. Now, one thing already that's a game changer with this drone, and one of the main reasons why I bought it is because this new gimbal allows you to rotate, so you can do horizontal video as well as vertical video. So if you look at this right here, for all my people who use this for content creation or for Instagram or TikTok or whatever, it's great just to have it vertical and still shoot that same great 4K that it has. And you can already tell like the setup is a little bit different. I'm just comparing it just because I have it right here. Feels around the same weight, but I think this looks more premium to me. One thing that I think is really cool about it is that you unfold it, and it doesn't matter if you unfold these in any kind of order. I know with the Mavic Mini 2 here, I had to unfold it this direction